the channel. Today we're going to be doing, what are we doing? We're doing seats again. Last time on the last episode or last video, I did a seat swap. We got the nice GT350 seats installed in the car. And today I figured it's time to make sure that the front seats and the back seats look the same. So we got ourselves some new skins for the back seat. We got some new skins for the front seats. Matching upper sides, as you can see. So that's the plan for today. We're going to be swapping the skins on the car, and I'm pretty excited because they're two-tone, they're gray, black. The gray is going to go well with the car color, so it should be a pretty fun project. I think the whole thing should take no more than a couple hours, so let's see how long it'll take me. So let's get the car torn apart and get cracking into it. Okay, so I got the back seats out, and the first part for doing the back seats is pretty straightforward, kind of like you've seen in my other video when I did the initial swap of the seats, or for the back seats. It's just a couple of clips. We take them out. I might have to chop a couple of the clips on the new seat skin again. The other one is just on and off for the upper part. So let's get that started first, and then we can move forward with the front seats. Alright, one seat is done. I need to just push the Velcro a little bit and get it arranged, but this was an absolute pain. It was probably like the hardest seat install I've ever done, just because there was a lot of work that required to be done. My battery died in the middle, so you guys missed some of the work as I was cutting the holes for the seat belt and whatnot. But yeah, this was a pain in the behind. We're going to put the seat in, stretch it a little bit more, and then start for second one. Hopefully the second one is gonna go a little bit faster. So yeah, hang in there, and yeah, let's go to the next one. So we got the seat mostly put together. I wanted to show you what you need to do for the seatbelt holes. You have to like cut some holes with a knife, and then punch some holes for some hooks to hook up the leather on. So let's take a look. So this is where you have to cut the hole, and there's some hooks on the inside over here that you have to hook up the leather. There's some more hooks here, and then you have to do the same thing for the other side of the material. Hook it on the material on the plastic hooks, and then that will hold it tight in here so it looks nice and clean. Then you just put the plastic cover through, and you're good to go. I got the seats fully installed. It was a lot more work than I expected, or I should say a lot more painful work than I expected. Let's give you a quick tour of how it looks. There you go. As you can see, got the full fronts and the backs. Let's check out the other side. There you go. Super clean. I tested them out for a second. They're extremely comfortable. So yeah, the biggest pain in the behind was clipping the leather on the very bottom side of the upper section of the seat. You have to like stretch the leather big time in order to be able to just get the clips to lock up. But as you can see, oops, super clean. Two-tone Alcantara, black leather. Tune in next time. Next time we'll be working on the radiator. We're going to be replacing the fan, since those are known to go bad fairly often. So I have one in the box, and then after that I think we're going to be doing the trunk project most likely, or maybe there's another one in the pipeline, we'll see. But anyways, thanks for watching, subscribe, and catch you on the next one.